Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UBER, Uber. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, mainly this afternoon, but when you stop and think about where the price was at its lows and then where it ultimately moved up to, sure, it did pull back from some of those highs, but still, relative to where it was to where it ultimately closed, definitely a very nice movement today, but that does lead to the more than valid question going forward of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, kind of one-day wonder type movement? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And to my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at 3150. Why is 3150 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 3150. If the price were to go down to 3150 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, it'd be putting the price right back to where it was in this range of the chart before the big breakout occurred. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, let's say the price goes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. You want to see the price making progress forward, and in this set of circumstances, quote-unquote progress, I am defining as 3150. Now, what about areas of resistance moving forward? Initial level of resistance, nothing fancy or complicated behind it other than the fact of where the party finally stopped after the big explosion upwards, and that was at 33.85. So 33.85, first key level of resistance. If the price can break up through there, the next level of resistance after that, right up around 34.65. So 33.85, 34.65, next couple of key battlegrounds going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it, monster movement today. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward. Let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.